How to fix Facebook star monetization button not showing. So if you want to fix your Facebook star monetization button not showing, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Facebook application and go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Go with your profile and make sure that you have your professional dashboard. Tap on your professional dashboard, scroll down, and you will have an option of support. Tap on support, which is on the bottom left. Tap on monetization, and from here you can just go with the professional mode support. If you don't have the professional mode support here, then you just need to simply go with see all, and here scroll down. So just simply tap on the option of help and guidance, and under help and guidance you will have professional mode support or professional mode guide. You can just simply go with professional mode support and you can just fill up the form to fix your problem, or you can just simply go back and go with your stars section, and here under your monetization stars, here you will have the criteria. Like you need to be able to meet 4 of the criteria, which is you follow public content monetization policies, following the Facebook's content monetization policies, and the second one is resided in an eligible country, and the third one is your profile has to be at least 500 followers, and the fourth one is your profile has had 500 followers for 30 consecutive days. And if you've met all of these criteria, then you can just simply go with I'm interested, which is on the bottom left, and you'll be able to fix your problem of your star monetization button. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.